Wherever you are viewing this video from, you are welcome seriously to our YouTube channel. And in this video, we are briefly going to show you how to use an image as a link, how to hide a link behind an image, that the moment you click the image it takes you to a link. Okay, and so without wasting time, let's dive in. As you can see, we've created our HTML document. We created our document with the name image.html, and I'm just quickly going to enter the snippet. Okay, and so we are quickly going to enter the HTML snippet. All right, and so inside the body we are going to call the tag link, the anchor tag, okay, which is used for link. That is this A. So inside it we are just going to use, okay, let's use a popular one, which is an external link. External link is also known as an absolute link. Okay, so should, in case you don't know, have much knowledge on it, you look out for our video that deals with links. The external and relative links are explained with practical, so you can look up that video. Okay, having done this, Facebook, okay, .com. So when you look up that video, you understand why we're putting the full HTTP and .com. You understand? And then you come to the next place. What are we doing? You've created, this is your link. All right, now the image, you need to put the image. So to put the image, you click on this image, img, this image tag, and so it gives us this. The SRC stands for source, where the cursor is beeping now is the source. So what is the source? That is the name of the image. So we've gotten our image here already. You can see book.jpg, and so we're just going to put it there. How did I import my image there? You look out for the video. Also, we have the video is also in our YouTube channel. You look out for the video. All right, and then how to import image, you look it up, okay, to get yourself abreast. So we're putting book.jpg. all right, and so we're going to give it a height, otherwise it will be too big and too long. A height, so let's give it a height of about 200 pixel, and then a width of, let's say, 300 pixel. Okay, so this is it, we are done. So let's see what we just did, if it's working. And so this is our image. This is what we just did. And so let's click on the image and see. As you can see, my data is on because it's an external link, so it ought to take me to Facebook. All right, so here it is. All right, so it has brought me to Facebook. Okay, so that is that. All right, you can see it's very much working. Let's see it one more time. Okay, I click on the link on the image. All right, so okay, and then it takes me. All right, so is it working? Yes, it is. So thank you everyone, thank you very seriously. Please don't forget to like your video. Don't forget to, you can also drop your comment. You have to also subscribe to our video. You understand? Support us by your subscription. Thank you very seriously.